Jochiw thieth mohewo 200 e kaunti ma Kisii ogolo ywak gi ewi chenro mar sirkal koso ndikogi e tich e bajet mar higa mokalo kaluwore gi kaka sirkal nosingonegi. Kane giloso e boma ma Kisii bang' koso winjruok e romo, mano okelo kanyakla jatend riwruok mar governors, jalup gavana e kaunti no kod jochiw thieth ne giwacho ni sirkal olando mar koso chopo singono kendo ni biro riwgi e bajet mar higa 2026-27 gino ma gitamore ka giwacho ni ok gibi rito kata ok gibi dok e tich nyaka sirkal winj dwachgi.
We met here in the morning following the communication that was made by the ministry that we come for verification of documents. So we had an interaction with our deputy governor and a representative from the COG. Our expectation then is that we wanted this process of transition to take effect almost immediately. Unfortunately, we received very disheartening and devastating information that the budget that was allocated is only for the stipend that we are receiving currently.
I want to believe government works with seamless information from every agency. Information cannot be changing from time to time. And we are asking them that this time round, if they don't find a line in which they follow, if everyone comes with their own information, we will stay on strike until they know what they want for us.
So after this exercise, what we expect is nothing less than PNP. So if you expect us to come to your office every day, every week, we will be there until you give us PNP.